Hello, boys. This is YouTube Service Video Dude 09 here, and this is gonna be an update because I know you guys would want one. Like I know it's the crazy state 8 already said that, but sorry for copying you, Jacob. Darren, crazy Jacob, I mean. Anyway, so I hope you forgive me. Anyway, so 4 weeks to Christmas, boys. Can you believe it? I've got my list made up and hopefully this will work out. Yep. Anyway, we got snow today. It's pretty severe. Want me to show you? Alright. As you can see, we're coming out here in the hallway. See? What did I tell you? Look at this. Yep. There goes the snow over there. Yep. There's snow on the pavement, there's snow on the squares. Yep. And even snow on the van. That's usually the city van. Alright. See through the patio. Can't even see the big one. Now, let's see if you can see someone here. You can't even see the in here. Hey. And now you got to see the snow we're having. Yep, we're having a severe. It's pretty severe, isn't it? Yep. I think we are on the Sony TV 130, which is this baby over here. Yep, it looks very fine, but the Sony TV 87 doesn't. Well, it actually doesn't work very well. It keeps having malfunction. Yep, it, this camera doesn't. This only had just a few malfunctions, one in May and one in July. Yep. Anyway, so if the snow goes on to overnight and through tomorrow morning, then we will have a um we'll have a day off of school, boys. We are somebody. Yep. Anyway, so I already did 2 videos so far. I took one at the beginning and I took one just a few minutes ago. So yep. The weather is pretty. It's pretty. Let me see. It's pretty. Let me see. What? It's severe. I mean, and if it goes on overnight, we'll have a holiday. like we did on March 7th. Yep, March 7th. Okay, March 7th was today. I put that sample video of the JVC HXM 260U up on YouTube. That was probably taken after dinner sometime. Probably by it was probably by 1:30 or 2 p.m. Yep. Yep. The only reason why I recorded that that so early was because I had no school, which was awesome. Anyway, so there's be more videos coming up soon, and stay tuned for the full video of the Snowstorm update taking on my Sony CFV138. Everybody, so stay tuned. Stay tuned for probably a few more. One coming up by 9:30 tonight, and another one coming up in the wee hours of the morning. So I hope you guys like this video, and we're clear. Bye.